Hi, this is Jacob from Westwind Moto, and today I'm going to introduce to you our all-new luggage rack for the BMW 1300 ADV. So if we flip this around here, you'll notice an all-new design. That's because we designed this rack to work with the OEM rack from BMW. So, to release it, we turn this key here about 30 degrees to the right, lift up this lever here on the top, which will then slide these pins out, and then it comes off just like this. So for those of you that remember our previous luggage rack system, you'll see that this is a much simpler design. To mount it, it's also equally as simple. Push this lever down, and then the key goes, when it's centered like this, it's locked and not going anywhere. This rack currently is only for the Heavy Cavalry Panniers series.